Hi, welcome to Parametric House. In this short lesson, I want to show you how you can make a parametric 3D helix in Grasshopper. You can see that I can rotate this in different direction. This is the point, which is the center of the helix. And these are the rotations we can control. The turns, number of turns we need, and also the radius, we can change that here, and simply also the height. And at the end, we will have the curve. We can simply go to the surface and connect a pipe to that curve with a radius, and also give it a cap of a round. And from the display menu, we can also give a custom preview to that to see the final results. So this tutorial is going to help you to understand how to make a 3D helix parametrically in Grasshopper. And let's get started and take a look at the algorithm.